You mentioned Parvati Ma and,
Mm,
of course, Lord Shiva. And I think one of the things that I've always found very fascinating is the love story between the two of them, how it's been told,
mm,
and how it almost comes across as just synergies that belonged together.
mm.
Tell us a little bit about that, sort of marriage, about that love story. What can we learn from it?
No, I think it's a much better example of equality than the Western paradigm that is kind of enforced upon us these days. Which is women become more and more masculine and men become more and more feminine. When there is beautiful strength in the feminine and there is beautiful strength in the masculine. And if we have been created this way, if Mother Nature is created it this way, it's because it's for a purpose, right? And that doesn't mean that one has to dominate the other. If you see Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, he is as masculine as one can be,
Yeah.
uh, and Goddess Parvati is as feminine as one can be. Uh, but their relationship is one of equals, where they add to each other, where they respect each other, and that's a much better role model to follow
Hmm.
than where uh, these days, sadly, men and women seem to be in competition with each other within the same marriage. Which then why you married, man? I mean,
Hmm.
then I don't know, be in separate companies and compete,
Hmm.
right? Um, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati didn't compete with each other,
Yeah.
but it's not that they didn't push each other. They did.
Yeah.
We know enough of that. And but not just in my book series. See, even in the traditional way, they always they sit with each other shoulder to shoulder as equals. Um, uh, Goddess Parvati would get more angry if someone insulted Lord Shiva
Yeah.
rather than her, and vice versa,
Hmm.
right? Uh, when it's said that when Lord Shiva would get angry, he would do the Raudra Tanda.
Yeah.
The only one who could calm him down was Goddess Parvati, who would do the Lasya dance
Yeah.
at that time. When Rishi Bringi, who considered himself a very devout worshipper of Lord Shiva, and there are sadly devotees in all ages, even more today, who think that their God is the only true God and everyone else's gods are false. That's silly and it's childish.
Hmm.
Uh, and there was a devotee like this of Lord Shiva called Rishi Bringi.
Hmm.
He said, I'll worship only you and not even Goddess Parvati because I'm only your devotee and I'm such a good devotee. And Lord Shiva wanted to teach him a lesson. So he told and he would, Rishi Bringi would circumambulate, pradakshina करते थे शिव
Hmm.
जी की.
प्रदक्षिणा क्या होता है?
Circumambulate.
अच्छा,
Yeah. तो
परिक्रमा टाइप्स.
परिक्रमा सर
हाँ.
हाँ तो Lord Shiva told Goddess Parvati, you sit on my lap. So he has to then go around both of us.
Hmm.
Rishi Bringi converted himself into a bee so that he can just fly just around Lord Shiva, not around Goddess Parvati. And then to teach his very devout worshipper a lesson, Lord Shiva merged into Goddess Parvati.
Is
Uh,
that the
that's
Ardhanarishwar?
Ardhanarishwar. Left side Goddess Parvati, right side Lord Shiva. To teach his devotee, there is no difference.
Hmm.
You worship one of us, you worship both of us. That's what it means.
Hmm.
You
It's a
worship
pretty
both the
solid team.
masculine, you worship both the masculine and the feminine.
Hmm.
And that's where the true strength is. When the feminine does perfectly what it is good at, and the masculine does perfectly what it is good at.
Hmm.
And in partnership with each other, that's when you have it good, like Lord
Hmm.
Shiva and Goddess Parvati.
There's so many sort of like, I think owing to this exactly, um, so many times people say things like worship to Lord Shiva if you want a good partner, especially to women,
Hmm. वो
right?
16 सोमवार का जो
हाँ,
होता है.
ये इसका क्या है लॉजिक?
Because it is believed that Lord Shiva is a very devoted and good husband.
हाँ.
Many women think so.
Hmm.
Uh, and so 16 सोमवार एक ये
Hmm.
व्रत होता है. They do that to get a husband like Lord Shiva, which is immense pressure on the men. Come on. We can't be as good as him. Come on. But we can try.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
But that's why,
But for
because
the Shaivites, it's good
yeah.
because we can say Look, we have a role model like him.
Yeah.
We'll at least try.
So women would fast because they would want
A husband like
a
Lord
husband
Shiva.
like Lord Shiva, and be- I mean, at least people say he's very generous. So when you
Yes.
kind of
Yeah.
pray to him, then he listens to you.
He listens to you.